If you have lost your iPhone or just want to know how you can find it in that situation from your Apple Watch 11, you can track it in two easy ways, even when your iPhone is on mute or offline. Alright guys, so the first method is just press over the power button on your watch, make sure your watch is connected to the Wi-Fi, and then from here just tap on this iPhone ping option. In case if your iPhone is nearby, somewhere lost at your house, you will hear a beep coming from it. Just go ahead, follow the sound, and you'll see your Apple Watch screen will show how far is it. Now, when your watch is in 5 feet radius of your iPhone, it'll show a green screen and eventually a tick sign when you find it. Now, what if you have lost or left your iPhone somewhere or another location, not your house? Well, in that case, press over the crown on your watch, scroll and find this Find Devices app. If you've got multiple devices logged into the same Apple ID, select your iPhone from here. Like in our case, it's the iPhone Air. From here, you can see the approximate current location of your iPhone. And also you can scroll down. As you can see, you can use the Play Sound option if you want, or you can just go ahead, go for the directions options. Now we have our iPhone here with us. It's showing 0 miles, but you might be seeing the number of miles your iPhone is away from your watch. Just tap on it, and then it'll open a map in here. Now what you can do is just rotate the crown to zoom out or in to see its current or precise location or region. Now in case if your iPhone is nearby, you can tap on this direction button to have an idea of its current location. And apart from that, you can also go back to the previous section, and from here you can enable notify when left behind option. Also, you can turn on lost mode if you're sure you have lost your iPhone. In the contact section, just put down your phone number. As you can see, it'll appear over your iPhone's lock screen. Anyone who finds it will call in that number. And after you find it, once again, you can disable the lost mode. And these are all the ways you can track your iPhone with your Apple Watch 11. Thanks for watching.